Hi everyone. Today we'll look at how to convert HEVC videos to MP4. HEVC is a format many cameras and phones use to record high-quality videos like 4K with smaller file sizes. But these files often don't work on older devices or editing software. Windows might ask you to buy an extension just to play it. Apps like Premiere Pro often struggle to import it. The good news? Converting them to MP4 solves compatibility issues while keeping the quality intact. Let's walk through the steps. So, I'll show you how to use WonderFox HD Video Converter Factory Pro, which got GPU acceleration to handle the conversion in a breeze. You can download a free trial from the link below. After installation, open it, click Converter, then hit Add Files to add your HEVC files. You can also drag and drop, it's very simple. Next, open the Output Format menu and select MP4. But it's more recommended to just select H264, a popular MP4 profile that shares universal compatibility and balanced quality and size. If you're looking to play your file on a certain device, you can also use a preset for Apple, Android, TV, and more. Now, if you pick the MP4 format, you need to open parameter settings and change the video encoder to H264. You can also tweak the resolution, bitrate, and frame rate according to your needs. For example, to save space, you may want to convert 4K to 1080p. Don't forget to set your output folder. Before hitting run, check this box. Enable hardware acceleration. This lets your GPU turbocharge the process, cutting conversion time by up to 30 times. Click Run, and let WonderFox work its magic. Once done, your MP4 is ready to edit in Premiere Pro, share online, or play on any device. No extra codecs or CPU meltdowns. That's it. If this saved you time, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more guides. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.